Today we are going to show you Real User Monitoring, or RUM. First, the setup. Go to the website you would like to add RUM to and click the Real User Overview tab. Then, on this page, click the green Real User Monitoring button. A form will pop up where you can generate your unique Real User Tracker code, which you can copy and paste into the code of your website to begin collecting data for Real User Monitoring. Press the green button here to create the code. Now your code has been generated. This snippet of JavaScript can be copied and pasted into the code of the pages of your website which you would like to monitor real users on. Click View to exit this form. Once you have set up Real User Monitoring, go to the Real User Overview page to see the data that this feature provides. On this page is a summary of the data the monitor receives. For example, your website's busiest hour and maps displaying page views and load times by country. You can see a more detailed breakdown of this data divided by latest request, page, country, browser, and device type. For example, let's look at the by country breakdown. Here you can see the different countries your site has been loaded from and the number of page views, as well as load times. Change the view to a graph and toggle between load and views. Next, let's look at device type. On this page you can see which devices are being used to access your site and how often. Click the View button to see further details. Remember, you can change the data history period to view information from up to 18 months ago.